How to list products on eBay from AliExpress. Hello there, today we'll learn about how to add a product from AliExpress into your eBay. So first thing, you need to open your account under AliExpress. Once you have the account on your AliExpress, you can also open your eBay account ahead of time. Here you can also sell your products. So from AliExpress, what we need to do to begin is to select a product that we want to sell on eBay. So for example, I'll be choosing women's clothing and I'll be choosing the hoodies and sweatshirts. And from here, I'll be looking for the designs or the product that I like. You can also filter and sort it by the number of orders, and you can also filter it by free shipping options. So here I'll be choosing the first product that shows here on the account or on AliExpress. So once I have decided what product I will pick, I will open that on another tab. And what I'll do here is I'll be selecting the image that I like or the colors of the product that I want to be added on my eBay store. So what you can do here is you can browse on the product images. And what I'll do is I'll just right click the image and I will save it on my computer. Here, for example, I like this beige colored hoodie. So I'll just need to right click and save on my computer. Once the image has been saved, I will also copy the name of the product so that we will be able to use it for our store on eBay. So now we need to go to your eBay and go to selling. When you go to selling, you will need to input the product that you wish to sell. And usually eBay will find a match for the product that you are trying to look for. But you don't have to worry, even though there's no match, you can actually add the details of the product that you want to be on the account. So here, for example, what style the product is, the color, the size, and the size type. There are a lot of options that you need to fill out to make sure that eBay will be able to cater the needs of your product on the store. So here you just need to confirm the details and then you can go ahead and continue with the listing. Once you click on that, you will be routed into this page where it provides you the informations and the features of creating a product listing on eBay. So from here, we need to add the photo that we saved earlier. So we can either edit the image first before adding it here, but this is just for an example. We'll just have it as it is. And then we can also rename the title. We can even choose what category the item belongs. So it belongs on hoodies or women's apparel. So from here, we can even add the additional informations like from the theme, what product it is, the features, the fabric, the characters, accents, and even patterns of the product. You can definitely modify that here on eBay for you to make sure that you will be able to add the product on your listing for your eBay store. So here you can add the descriptions, but that's optional depending on what would fit or what fits on your product. You need also to input the product description on what are the informations that you have for the product so that your buyers or your clients will be able to see on what are the features or what the product is so that they will be informed before they will be able to purchase it. So here we can also have the pricing. So we can have it auction or we can have the product as buy it now. So if ever the clients will be choosing our product, they will be able to purchase it directly. So here we will input the price. Make sure that it's a bit higher than the retail price from AliExpress so that you will be able to have a profit. You can also input the quantity or how many stocks of the product you have on hand. And then you can also allow offers if ever they will offer higher amount than the product or not. But you can toggle it on or off depending if you want to add it into your product. So here we also have preferences on how you would like the product to be, like from what location it is, and also for the payments as well on what payment method you want it to be. And here for the shipping informations, you also need to input that so that you will be able to complete the process. So once done, once everything has been filled out, you can click on list it for free. And here, as you can see, I encountered an error since I missed a few information. So I need to input the item location, also the shipping informations as well. So I'll make sure that with the address or the location of the item, it should be on the location that I'm currently in. You can also need to input what shipping service we will be using for this product. Here, so you can go ahead and list it. And then once you're successfully be able to list a product, you will be routed into this page where you need to verify yourself before you will be able to continue. So here are the basic verification, and then you confirm that you are human. Make sure that you have the right images for you to be able to go through. Once completed, you just need to continue with your Google account or what email address you had for the eBay, and then you can just go ahead and click on get started. So you will be able to connect your eBay to your Payoneer account. So from here, they will ask for what is the country code of your phone number, and they will ask for your phone number as well. Once completed, you just need to click on continue, and you will need to sync your profile as well. So they will be sending a code to your phone number, and once done, they will be providing or you will be routed into the next step. So here you will need to add your financial info, where you'll be filling out a few information, and you will also need to submit the registration info to complete the product listing for your hoodie. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.